What is going on, everybody? My name is Jordan Anderson. Welcome to another Nice Slice Studio review. Today we're going to be on, as always, we're here on Product Hunt. We're going to go to yesterday's winner, because not today's winner. Let's see who won yesterday. Thinkbuddy AI, another AI tool, native ChatGPT for Mac OS. Solid title. Let's check it out. We've got the video here. We're going to review it here in a second. Native ChatGPT for Mac OS. Thinkbuddy transforms your Mac. Use voice or screenshots to ask AI, execute commands, and text selections, create / custom prompts. Beautiful. Love it. We've got our co-founder here. Again, the emojis. You can't have enough emojis on your Product Hunt co-founder message right down below. So congrats to this. Congrats to the team, to everyone who made this product. Let's dive into the video here.
Are you stuck while browsing for information? Tired of switching between tabs and apps? There's a simpler way. Meet Thinkbuddy, your go-to helper in the world of AI. With just one
Okay, nice British accent. I don't know if this is an AI voice. I love it though. I don't care if it's an AI voice. It could be like 11 Labs. We start out with some stock footage. Acceptable.
Are you stuck while browsing for information? Tired of switching between tabs and apps? There's a simpler way.
So serious.
Meet Thinkbuddy, your go-to helper in the world of AI. With just one shortcut on your Mac OS.
How the logo comes in and how that sub headline comes in doesn't match up sometimes. So when you show something on screen and they have to read it, and I'm also listening to the narrator, think about that when you're editing, because it could be Meet Thinkbuddy. Right there, the logo, and then you go to AI at your fingertips. Because now I've already heard Thinkbuddy.
Your go-to helper in the world of AI.
Nitpicky a little bit.
With just one shortcut on your Mac OS, similar to using Spotlight, you'll get quick answers and solutions. But it's not just about quick answers. Thinkbuddy assists with your emails, reports, and even those long articles you need to read. Can you explain the theory of relativity? Just summon Thinkbuddy.
The music is good. This is I forget what it's called. It's like a low, not quite lo-fi electronic, but it's got that driving dun 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 dun. It's giving that, like, we got some pace. This is lively. This is things are moving here.
With a hotkey and ask your question aloud. If the answer is too complex, use your custom prompts to simplify it. And if you're tired of typing, just say what you need. Thinkbuddy's voice feature understands you in multiple languages, turning talk into text in seconds. Now, it's time to turn text into magic.
I would want the narrator right there to go in and do the action. Almost like the narrator can be this kind of like God figure where it's like he's outside of the video. Right here would have been a very cute, fun moment where he goes, and you can do voice. Tired of writing emails? You can do voice to text here. Hey, Gmail, and he says the whole email message. That would have been a cute moment.
If Thinkbuddy's voice feature need a quick translation or explanation, call on it regardless of which application you're using. Browsers, text editors, all are integrated. Just select the text and leave the rest to Thinkbuddy. Fancy screenshots. Now it's time to see beyond them. It doesn't just recognize text. It understands.
All right, we're at a minute 21 in here. This is a compared to the previous Product Hunt videos we've watched, this is a little bit more of a product walkthrough rather than those boom clap, feeling good brand videos. So I appreciate this. Since it's so long here, or long, it's a minute, over a minute. I kind of want some like chapter markers here. That's my personal taste. I would want to
call on it regardless of which application you're using. Browsers, text editors, all
so he
are
finishes
integrated.
This feature demonstration.
Just select the text and leave the rest to Thinkbuddy.
We have a break here.
Fancy screen.
For that fade right there, I would add a chapter marker that says
Screenshots.
Screenshots. Fancy, how to do fancy screenshots.
Now it's time to see beyond.
Fancy screenshots, and then even on the chapter, the title card, maybe even show an animation of it real quick. Because again, like, it's a minute and 20 into this, I'm watching this, I want to quickly see everything, and you're trying to condense as much information as possible features don't sell the thing, the benefits sell the thing, which is obvious in marketing world. Like it goes without saying. But okay, it's fancy screenshots to quickly show me that and show how easy it is.
Them. It doesn't just recognize text, it understands context and content visually. You don't need to write the same prompts when you're chatting with AI. Create your own prompts, save them, and use them whenever you want. Assign different hotkeys to all features to save time, and don't get stuck with the same AI model anymore. With Thinkbuddy, you can choose what's best for you. So why wait? Make your workday smooth.
Branding wise, and I know you're doing this on Screen Studio. I'm on Screen Studio myself right now. This is, you want to be distinctive, or you're talking to a lot of SaaS people who also are familiar with Screen Studio. This background, this is being very nitpicky visually. This background it's an immediate like, oh, that's Screen Studio. But then you go over here to this moment, and you've got this really cool branded, dark purple gradient with the lines here. Maybe you could have used that for the entire background just to like bring it all together. Because does this background have anything to do with your brand or who you are? And the argument could be like, well, this is what our customers receive. This is their, this is a standard Mac OS customer background, so they're gonna feel familiar with this. And to that, I say fair. Let's wrap up the video.
You can choose what's best for you. So why wait? Make your workday smoother and more enjoyable. Join the Thinkbuddy family now. It's not just an app, it's your partner making your day a bit easier. Are you stuck while browsing for information?
Not bad. I want this button to be floating. I want the little mouse cursor to go into go download for Mac now. Or website too, thinkbuddy.com, thinkbuddy.ai. Speaking of the website, let's go to thinkbuddy.ai. We've got a beautiful dark mode. See, again, this is like, this dark mode branding looks great. Had it been on the video, it would have been a consistent brand experience the entire time and made it feel like this is, and lean into the dark mode. This looks cool. This looks sleek. Have it throughout the entire video. So we got our hero image here. Doesn't do anything. That's okay. If nothing does anything here, maybe put the video here. Or this is the thumbnail to the video, and I hit play, and it explains the video. Because maybe this is the first time I'm visiting the website. I don't read the Product Hunt stuff. I don't watch the Product Hunt video. I want to go straight to the website to see what it's all about. Great that you have download now. And great that it goes straight to it. Awesome. Limited time offer, 50% annual cost. That's great. You could maybe even do that as the entire announcement bar up above. Let's see. So, yeah, hero image, I would swap that out for the video. You made the video. It looks great. Rock with it, baby. Crafted for native macOS experience, integrated with AI. We're getting a little bit, I would want some text variation here or break it up just a little bit. It's kind of we're getting a wall of words moment. Just a little bit. Start to use, that's not a bad. Start to use call to action, download now, limited time offer. For call to actions, I tend to be a little bit more consistent. I'm not going to hold it against you, though. Then we got choose your favorite AI model. Perplexity, ChatGPT, Meta. Okay, cool. Llama. Download now. Again, another one. I kind of want this color-wise. If I'm the website designer here, purple is great. Purple is the accent color. I would want to make the button a complementary color to the purple background. So I know it's very tempting, and you want to be sleek and cool with it to be the monochromatic. Like, it's all different shades of purple from this light periwinkle all the way to black. So, and that's great. For the button though, just to drive, I'm sure you would see a lift in conversions if you made this a different color. If you made this yellow, if you made this even white, maybe a green. I don't know how it fits in your brand, but just a little bit of, catch my eye as I see this entire screen here on the hero image. See, select and let AI. Now we're down to our feature sections. Oh, that's kind of cool. Customize prompts. I want to see some animations here, or maybe an explainer video again. Got that globe here. Oh, there must be on Framer. They used some Framer supplies. This is a great Framer site. At the top, maybe it had some nav here to give me pricing, because if there are pricing options, I want to know that. If we're still doing this 50% off deal, again, add that information to your pricing section here, or a little pill button right below, free and $10 a month, $25 a month, maybe a little scratch through, get the kind of e-commerce conversion rate optimization in here and say, hey, it's a great deal. Or for product hunt only, just kind of give that sense of like, man, I'm getting a great deal. Pro pill button that says 50% off plus 50% off free. Free is free. Select plan. I like this. I want this whole, do the thing where, again, I know you're trying to stay within the monochromatic black and purple dark mode. Make the pro. If you want the pro, people to select pro. If you really want to emphasize this, you've got the button here, but try to make the entire column purple, or an outline of purple, something to really make it stand out, to guide me to say, this is what I really want. Real stories. We have fans, not clients. The testimonial scroll, a little slow for me. You might be, I think if this is a ticker on Framer, you might be at 30, 40% here. Bump it up to 80%. Give me the sense that there are thousands of customers. And if you even have a rating system, or, used by over 2,500 people, or hell, even add that product hunt badge down here. You got it at the top. Drop it down below, number 1 on product hunt. Like you're in the proof section, add that proof. Over this many comments, over this many downloads. Frequently asked questions. Do you have an app? Awesome. Let's make you more productive. Subscribe to our first spam list, email list. With the email list stuff, this is no hate to Thinkbuddy AI. Love the site. The subscribe button, the email newsletter. If you're out there right now and you just have a blank, add your email to it and get this thing. It's all right. This should be a lead magnet here. This should be like, get our 10 best ChatGPT prompts that you can add into your Thinkbuddy thing. Download here, get it for free. Something, as opposed to just saying it's an email list where I'm not going to get any spam. Okay, what are we going to talk about? What are we going to learn about? Almost at this point, just either nix it or make it into a lead magnet here. You got YouTube tutorials. Let's go to YouTube real quick. Let's check it out.
Are you stuck while browsing for...
You got the hero video as the first YouTube. Awesome. Great job. We've got a bunch of tutorial videos that were made a couple days ago. This is what you want to do. Yes, as people, YouTube is a great way to see what your product's about, learn how to use it. I do a lot of my shopping. When I'm shopping for apps, I will go to the YouTube channel to just watch the tutorial videos to see, I've seen the marketing video, I kind of get it, and I read through the page, and I read the pricing page, and then I want to go to the tutorials to see, okay, that's how you use it. Oh, when they talked about screen capture, that's what they were talking about. It gives you a sense of like, oh, that's pretty cool. I like this. Not bad. So let's go back to Product Hunt, Thinkbuddy. Great work, great setup. Number 1 on Product Hunt. Congratulations. My name is Jordan Anderson. Thanks for watching another Nice Live Studio video. Be sure to subscribe here to watch more Product Hunt review videos on the way. Catch you later.